Hello guys and welcome to Bob's Z Bounce. I am Bob's. Today we've got a special video for you guys. I went out and I treated myself and I bought the new iPhone 12. So I didn't go for the Pro or the Pro Max and all these. I just thought, you know what, I'm a bit of a cheapskate to be honest. So I went for this and I bought it in product red. You guys can probably see it. It says down there product red. So what do you get in the phone? Actually, before we get there, did you know that if you press on the like button, it turns blue? And did you know, if you press on the subscribe button, it goes from red to grey? Think about that, guys. Do it, guys. Okay, so let's have a look at this phone. Cost in the region of about $699. I've gone for the 64 gig one. You do also get them in a 128 and a 256 as well. But anyway, enough of that. Let's open and guys, this is the most satisfying thing, to be honest, to have a brand new phone and open it up. So let's have a look at the whole unboxing experience. Ooh, ready guys. Oh yes, lovely. Now, think of beauty, guys. Now this is the, as I mentioned, product red, and it doesn't look red to me really. It's not like a bright red. Let's open the. Very satisfying. Okay, guys. So a bit girly in that, but it's okay. I thought we're gonna make a difference. We're gonna change things up. So let's go have a look what you get in the case. So this is the controversial bit, guys. This time you no longer get a power brick. All you get is and you don't get any headphones either. So all you get now is this USB-C connection charge cable. Unfortunately, they don't give a plug with it because they're saying that it's environmentally friendly not to give the plug. You've also got some paperwork in it as well. What do you get in the paperwork? So it's talking about the product red. Another benefit of having the product red, guys, is a portion of the purchase or value of the iPhone. It goes to the support of HIV and AIDS program and to help victims who are suffering from AIDS or HIV. However, from what I've read, because of the coronavirus and the COVID-19, that funding is now going to COVID. People who are suffering from COVID and stuff like that. So very nice, very good to support the cause. And this time, guys, if you guys have had an Apple iPhone in the past, you got 2 stickers, now you get 1. I mean, in all fairness, I never really used a sticker anyway. I think I stuck them on my old HP laptop. You also get a SIM tool, so you're able to take the SIM out, which we're going to do in a moment. Disclaimer, guys, I have to tell you guys, I am not a reviewer, okay? I'm not a tech review guy. I basically purchased a new iPhone and I thought I'd share it with you guys and show you what it's like and everything, stuff like that. So some of the key features I'm going to go over. So this phone, the big selling feature on this phone was, or is, that it's 5G. And they're really pushing that, it's a 5G phone. Honestly, guys, I mean, not having 5G doesn't really bother me, in all fairness, but if it's got it, cool. And there's many phones out there who have had 5G for a while. Bounces behind the camera, he agrees that this is not really red. It's more of a pink. I don't know. Comment in, leave us a comment, guys, if you think this is a bright red phone. I was expecting a bright red phone. It's more like, I don't know what color it is. I don't know the different shades of red, but this is certainly not like, striking red color to me. It's a Super Retina XDR display, all in OLED. I'm not going to go into how many pixels and stuff like that it's got. To be honest, I don't really understand those kind of things. So if you guys do understand it, you're more than welcome to give me an education in that. It's got the new A14 Bionic chip, they're calling it. Now, to a normal person like me and you, what does that mean? It means that this is basically the next generation of what they're offering in Apple devices and in iPhones. Apparently, it's like the bee's knees. It is the best in the business. It's supposed to be really, really quick, super quick. But that's another point though. Did I know, because the phone that I've got before this, I've got the Apple XS Max. So XS Max. That phone's now going to be going to Aiden, because he's been on my case, he wants that phone. Now, did I notice that phone is slow or it's lagging? Not really. I think that phone was perfectly fine. So am I going to notice a super speed in this phone? I don't know. Talking about the cameras, guys. So this camera, you get the 12 megapixel camera, and you also get an ultra wide in that as well. I'm not going to go through the aperture and the bokeh and all this. I don't know, guys. Honestly, it looks nice, and it's going to shoot 4K videos in 60 frames per second. It's also got a HDR mode as well. HDR is better than 4K. The problem is if I was to shoot a video, and anybody was to shoot a video in 4K, not in HDR, you haven't got a device to watch HDR on. So I don't think there's any point of actually shooting in HDR at the moment. But it is 4K. Overall though, guys, I do quite like the design. I think they've gone back to the 5s. They've gone with the square. And this one here is the aluminium body, or as Americans call it, aluminum.
How do I pronounce the word aluminum in American?
The 12 Pro, which by the way I'm going to review next week, those come in a steel body. So the side, the bezels, not the bezels, so the sides are all going to be in steel. So apparently it's made better, but also fingerprint magnet. This one here, I don't think there's going to get any fingerprints on it. It's made quite good. It's got a glass back on it as well, and very good to grip onto. But let's turn the let's switch the device on as well. Is it even charged? Got some life in it, guys. Thought Apple gonna let me down there, not give me a phone with no battery. Phone is very light. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now set this phone up, stick my SIM card in there, go through some of the features, see how quick it is, and I don't know. I'll take a couple of pictures, and that's the main thing, isn't it? We wanna check out the selfie camera. That's the main thing. So guys, I've got the phone all set up now. I haven't actually upgraded to the new software. The new one I think is the 14.2 or something. I'm not too sure, the iOS 14.2. I haven't done that yet. I'm gonna do that maybe when I get some time later. So just gonna quickly just go through some of the stuff. I'll be perfectly honestly with you guys. It is pretty much identical to the last phone that I had. Do I notice that it's any quicker? It seems the same to me. It's just got a better screen on it. Seems like it's the same to me. It's just a new phone. That's all it is. There are a few new features. The main feature that I forgot to mention, guys, is the MagSafe option. So I don't have any attachments because, as I mentioned, I'm a bit of a cheapskate. So you can attach like there's a wireless charger. There's also like a wallet you can attach. There's so many different kind of cases that you can attach to these phones. They've got a ring of magnets in the middle around there, and you can connect different attachments on there. Well, first of all, it's not only a normal magnet, it's also a fingerprint magnet as well. So I've got this cloth which you can just clean it with, make sure it looks nice, presentable. Just to prove to you guys that there is actually a magnet back here. We've got like a steel plate, so that'll have to do for now. So let's stick that on. There we go. And yeah, it seems to work. Is it? Where is it? It's in the magnet. Where does it end? It's not a very strong magnet, but it is a magnet. So that's one of the key selling points. The main feature I want to check out is the actual camera quality on this phone. So let's just have a look at now I haven't done anything to this phone. I've left it absolutely standard. So let's take a picture of this little cam. Wow. So I'm going to share some of these pictures with you guys, and hopefully you'll kind of understand. I mean, guys, obviously granted, I've got very good lighting in this place at the moment. I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got like 4 or 5 lights in this place over here. So the pictures are going to come out pretty decent, but let's just do a selfie picture. Let's see how the selfie comes out. So selfies turned out very detailed. You can see all the beard hairs. It's not a very flattering picture, unfortunately. So I'm also going to be taking a few pictures outside as well, and if you have a look at the detail of some of the pictures outside, very nice, very vibrant. Lovely colours. I mean, I don't know how to explain this aperture and all of this and that. All I know is I'm taking a picture. It looks really nice, and even the video actually is beautiful. If you can have a look at this as well, the video looks spectacular. Once again, very nice colours, very clear, and this is actually taken not a midday either. So just taken a little bit later in the afternoon. So lighting was maybe a bit of an issue. However, it's turned out very well. You get less than what you got before, unfortunately, because Apple are saying they're trying to be environmentally friendly. I think it's a bit of a selling tactic, in all fairness. The phone is pretty much identical to what my previous phone was, the XS Max. It's got the camera quality is slightly better, I think, and it's also got the wide lens on there as well. Big wow. So I just want to show you guys what the new iPhone 12 looks like, basically, and what it looks like in product red, which actually may not be product red at all. So guys, thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, share and subscribe. Keep an eye out for the next videos. We've got a bunch of ideas, and we've got so many different ideas, and we've got so many different videos that we're going to be releasing. Head over to our Instagram page as well, some updates of the videos that are to come in the future. Thank you so much for watching. This is Bobsy Bounce signing out.
Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell her